All right, so now we're on to the next dictionary comprehension exercise, which is day 26.5, Dictionary Comprehension 2. And in this challenge, you're going to be converting a dictionary of temperatures in Celsius to their corresponding temperature in Fahrenheit. So this is how you convert a Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit. So the temperature multiplied by 9 divided by 5, and then plus 32. So you saw this in a previous lesson as well. So pause the video, have a read of the instructions, take a look at the hints if you get stuck, and see if you can complete this challenge. So in this case, we have a slightly different exercise from before, because we're now going to be working with a dictionary to create a new dictionary. Let's write our code here. And let's create our new variable, which needs to be called weatherf. And this weatherf is going to be a new dictionary. Let's put in our keyword method to create a new dictionary from a dictionary. So new key colon new value for, and then it's parentheses key comma value. Be really careful here. I've seen a lot of students just use the colon in this case, but it's actually a tuple, so it should be key comma value. And then we specify the dictionary that we want to loop through, and then we call .items on it. And remember, this is a method, so it needs the parentheses at the end. So now let's replace the relevant parts of this line. So our dictionary is going to be this one, our weather_c. That's the dictionary we're looping through, and we're going to get hold of all of the items in that dictionary and then get each of the keys, which I'll call day, and value, which I'll call temp_c, because it'll be the temperature in Celsius. So now that I'm looping through each of the days and the temperatures in our weather dictionary, then we're going to create our new key and new value. So the new key is actually still going to be the same day. It's going to be unchanged because we want this as our output, and it looks pretty much the same as this one, other than the fact that we've converted the value. So the new value, though, is going to be calculated using this formula. So we're going to take our temp C, and then we're going to multiply it by 9 divided by 5, and then we're going to add 32. If you want, you can add the parentheses around this line, but because we're doing maths and we're going from left to right, and we're first doing multiply, divide, then we do add and subtract, then it's actually completely optional in this case. But we'll just include it in there for completion's sake. So now when I hit run, you'll see that I've got a dictionary that's being generated with each of the days in the week from this dictionary, and each of the temperatures have been converted to Fahrenheit. So this is super useful, and you often find yourself needing to work with values in a dictionary.